Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be another unboxing of a birthday challenge entry, and I want to show you guys two things that I got from Aliexpress. You guys, my orders have been coming in super duper slow. I still haven't gotten my orders from before the sale. This is crazy. I don't know. But anyways, I got this in the mail today, and you guys, we're leaning towards already the last few entries to end this challenge. I am so excited. It's been super successful. It's been amazing watching all your entries and posting them, and it's just amazing. And yeah, so this one is obviously themed with the crepe paper hooray. I don't know who it's from yet because I just opened up the box like the savage that I am. And I'm gonna just take everything out, you guys. But she decorated the box so cute. Okay. Ooh, look at all these pretties. Oh my gosh. Is this from... Wait, I think I saw... I'm trying to think. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, we got to take everything out. You guys, I didn't take my mat off my desk today because usually I have like white background, but today we weren't doing it. We're just gonna roll with the punches. Oh, this looks so festive, and she decorated the inside of the box. Look at that. Super cute. Okay, let's take all the confetti out. Loving the mint green confetti. Okay. So we're going to push this back in, and we're going to move the box to the side because I will be keeping the thickers. You guys know I save everything. So let's see. This, I'm assuming, is her birthday card entry. These are her embellishments. Let's open this one up because I think this is the one that says her handle and stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this card. It is so cute. I love the layer. Look at the little bear. You guys, I own this collection and I'm yet to like really look at it, like the Hooray collection, but I feel like this is from Good Vibes. I don't know, or maybe it is from Hooray. So cute. Let me see if I can read this real quick. I already love everything girly. Okay, so on Insta, she's jcrafty-303. Her name is Giovanna. And in YouTube, she's jcrafty303 Lucero. I'm going to have her link down below. Oh, thank you so much, Giovanna. I love it. I love that card. It's so cool. So here is her birthday card entry. And I love that pop of yellow. Yellow is such a happy color, you guys. Don't you think? I think it's such a happy color. It makes me happy. We got some bows. I don't want to take them out because she added some super fun, like, holographic sequins or, like, confetti. And I don't want it to get all over. But look, you guys. Look at these embellishments. Let me take these off because these are on the top. Is that not so cute? Look at all the layers. She's even got, I don't know if you can see it, but she's even got some thread up in there. Look how chunky. I love it. And then look at this one. So cute. Oh, and it says handmade with love. Super chunky. Love how chunky you went. Look at that. The little cat with the hat. These are adorable. So those are her embellishments. This is her card. And then this is her card to me. So I feel like I got two cards. And you guys, look at her flip. This is too cute. Look at her little tassel. And she added like a little wooden heart right here. And now we're going to go through this. This is so beautiful. It says, hey, it's your day. And look, treat yourself. Tons of layers. Gorgeous. She decorated the opposite side as well. She took some of the ephemera pieces and added them into the rings. I love doing that. It's so fun. And then, okay, let me just try to do it like this because she's got a real chunky here. So you gotta be careful we don't ruin anything. I want to make sure I don't mess anything up. So let's move the tassel down so we have room to flip over. Okay. I don't want to ruin anything. And look at this one, you guys. It says, hooray for cake. She did really good with her layering. You guys definitely go check out Giovanna because her work is amazing. So she's definitely a crafty chica. Look at this one. A little party never hurt nobody. Nope. And then she even decorated the back of the chipboard. Let me take off the little sequins. Not the sequins. The tissue paper confetti. So you guys can see all her work. Look at that. I love it. I love your layering. And they're like super thicked up. Are these the ones from Michael's? I love those tags. I need to get me another box. And then look at this one. It says, yay, have a happy birthday. You guys see that? Look at this one. It says, treat yourself. Take these out. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. How cute. Look, and this one has like the little puffy sticker. You guys see that? My lighting goes a little weird when I move in certain directions. Look at this one. She made a cute little pocket and she gifted me some little ephemera pieces. Thank you so much for that. I have so much hooray that you guys have been hooking it up. Look at this one. It says happy happy. Let me take this off right here. Is this like separate? Wait, I'm trying to see. No, that's the tag itself. She actually went super chunky on that tag. Look at that, you guys. That is so cool. And then look at this one on this side. It says, yay. And it has a little girl, little cut apart. And then look at this one. I love the way she did that. And she made it like extra chunky, but very like dimensional. You guys seen the way she did that? I like that. I might have to try that. She's got her little holographic thread. You did a really nice job, Giovanna. This is beautiful. Happy birthday to you. And it says Liller right here. Handmade with love. I can feel it, girl. I can feel the love that you put into your package. Thank you so much for entering my birthday challenge and for all this yumminess that you made. Yes, Ada, I said yumminess. She hates that. And I'm going to continue to do it, to torture her. Because that's what friends do. Look at her cute little envelope. And to show you guys the two things that I got from Aliexpress, I ended up getting the flower little eyelets. Thank God they're all pink. But I got these. I ordered 2 more. I don't know why I only got 1 pack, but I ordered 2 more. But I have these because I totally ran out of my eyelets. And then I ended up getting the little snow globe little charms. These are super cute. But that is all I got, you guys. And I have so many things that I ordered. And I'm like, where's my stuff? I want my things. But that is it for this video. Thank you again, Giovanna, for your entry. Everything is beautiful. You guys, leave a comment down below letting Giovanna know that her entry is adorable. Let me know if you guys picked up any of these. I'll have them linked down below as well if you guys want to go check them out. Another question that I have for you guys is, I'm thinking about filming another video. And I'm going to be doing a video using these ornament dies. And yeah, I said I wanted to ask you guys a question. That's not a question. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to be doing a video on this, but I'm not quite sure if I'm going to save it for the series or if I should just make the extra video. And then you guys remember I made these trees, I think a year or 2 years ago. Do you guys want to do like another recap on these trees and maybe we should make some new ones? Let me know down below, you guys. I'm trying to find videos to make before my series starts. So if you guys want to see me make some more of these trees with some of my new supplies, some new colors, maybe in pastel, I can totally do that for you guys. But yeah, and if you guys are interested, I still have the pocket letters available. So if anyone is interested, I have these too. Just send me an email and I can get those to you. They're still available. So yeah, you guys, I think that is it for this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.